Hi there! I'm making this video real quick to walk you through the process of creating a social schedule so that you can start receiving those COVID-19 coronavirus posts that we have available now on AutoPost. So go ahead and log into your account at digital.outreach.com. So your dashboard is going to look similar to this. You're going to either have your dashboard say manage, which means you've already connected Facebook and have been receiving posts, or you'll see an icon like this that says create social schedule. Mine just says add because I have this is a second schedule. So if you want to manage your account, go ahead and click on manage. And you actually will just select the coronavirus category and then select update on your schedule. And that way, we'll be able to start sending you coronavirus type of posts, inspirational, scriptural, those kind of posts. If you want to receive only those kind of posts, you can uncheck the different posts categories that we offer and then update your schedule accordingly. To create a new schedule, when you create a new account, you'll go over here to create new schedule is what yours should say, create social schedule. You'll go through this process of creating the categories you want to choose. So you'll choose the different categories and create your schedule accordingly. So you can select your time zone, the times to post, and the days to post. And you can also upload a church logo, but make sure it is a transparent background and it's square or rectangular. Otherwise, you won't see the logo. It will just show up as a square or rectangle on your posts. So go ahead and click Connect Social Media Profiles. And because I've already connected before, it shows up as refresh Facebook pages. Please make sure your page is a public page and you have full admin access. Otherwise, we will not be able to connect. If yours looks similar, go ahead and click connect next to the available pages, or you'll click connect to Facebook and a screen will pop up to have you continue the process to connect to Facebook. I'm going to click edit settings, but you will click continue as your profile. You'll choose the page that you want to add post to, then click next. Then make sure all of these buttons are turned on, say yes, and done. You have one more step to select. After this pop-up shows up, make sure that you clicked connect next to your church page or whichever page you want to use. Otherwise, you will not be able to click this finish and get first post. It will be grayed out. So we'll select the page that we want and finish and get first post. And there you go. You've got it all set. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. We're happy to help, but good luck on your new, for a lot of you, social ministry.